Amazon transformation from a simple online bookstore to a worldwide leader in e-commerce and technology highlights the crucial role of strategic human resource planning in an organization's expansion and evolution. This case study examines how Amazon's commitment to building a diverse, customer-focused workforce has been central to its astounding growth and success. Strategic HR planning at Amazon. Customer obsession as a core principle. Challenge: maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty in a highly competitive and rapidly changing e-commerce landscape. Strategy: Amazon ingrained a culture of customer obsession, making it a core principle in its leadership guidelines. Its HR strategies were designed to foster a mindset of innovation and customer-centric thinking, ensuring all employees, regardless of their role, prioritized customer experience. Outcome: this emphasis on customer obsession helped Amazon continuously innovate and stay ahead in understanding and fulfilling customer needs, driving its massive growth and market dominance. Innovative hiring practices. Challenge: recruiting individuals who fit Amazon's unique culture and contribute to its long-term goals. Strategy: Amazon implemented a distinctive interview process, focusing on evaluating candidates' alignment with its core principles and values, rather than solely on technical expertise. Outcome: this approach ensured that new hires were not only technically competent, but also deeply ingrained with Amazon's ethos, contributing to a cohesive and goal-oriented workforce. Leadership development and decentralization. Challenge: fostering innovation and quick decision-making in a large global organization. Strategy: Amazon's leadership development programs encouraged employees to take charge of projects and initiatives, aligning with the company's decentralized decision-making structure. Outcome: this strategy enabled faster decision-making and innovation, allowing Amazon to adapt quickly to market changes and opportunities. Diversity and inclusion initiatives. Challenge: building a workforce that reflects the diversity of its global customer base. Strategy: Amazon set ambitious diversity goals, implementing targeted recruitment, mentorship programs, and inclusive policies to enhance the representation of women and underrepresented minorities. Outcome: these efforts led to a more diverse and inclusive workforce, enhancing creativity and understanding of its diverse customer base, which is vital for a global company. Conclusion: Amazon's strategic HR planning serves as a model for cultivating a culture of innovation, customer centricity, and diversity. By aligning its HR practices with core values and long-term business goals, Amazon has developed a dynamic and responsive workforce, contributing to its continuous growth and capacity for innovation. This case underscores the significance of strategic HR planning in shaping a global organization's trajectory and success.